Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you what to do in Python and what not to do. The first thing to never do in Python is to install too many libraries because installing too many libraries can take a lot of space up on your computer, which can even damage your system if some of the libraries contain malicious code or malicious function that you call in your script. Now number two thing I don't prefer you do is number two thing I don't prefer you do is copy paste other people's work. Like for example, I'll go to Chrome and let's search for keylogger script. Okay, keylogger script Python. Let's search for that. Now okay, so let's check out this video. Okay, I'll put my volume to 0 right now. Okay. What we'll do is
One thing's
wait, I
for
will do
sure,
something right now. Okay.
it's very easy to leave.
So this
When
guy's
things are
name is
going
David
great and
Bob.
you've got the wind at your back.
This guy's name is David Bobal. This guy is a very good
It gets
guy.
really
So
hard
let's imagine we just
when you've got
find
headwinds,
this keylogger script
disappointments,
online on
and
GitHub.
people are telling you you're going the wrong way.
So here is the GitHub
Ask
link.
yourself,
Okay. So here's the script. Now let's imagine I don't know what this is. So now we'll do Control C and Control V. Guys, I don't recommend you do this at all. As soon as I copy paste this and press Control S, Windows Defender will send me a message. So I entered this. As soon as I press Control S, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, I think we'll have to open Explorer and scan the file ourselves, I guess. So let's open desktop. Yes, it's here. Then where is it? Is YT video. Then let's scan this with Windows Defender. So now usually it just pops up. Yeah, see, it found threads. Yes, Python hack tool keylogger.a. So let's remove it. Start actions. Custom scan running 137. Protected, go to protection history. Okay. Always allow Windows Defender administrator access when doing this. Actions, remove. So yeah, it's probably removed it. Why is it not removing it? So look, you can like get stuck like me right now. So it might not even remove it. Luckily the script, I know the script what it does, but some people actually get fooled or something. I'm not saying this guy is a malicious hacker or something, but some people actually just go search in the internet for some solution and then they find something else and then they don't know what they're copy pasting, and then you can get stuck like this. Python hack tool keylogger.a. So let's scan this right now. Yeah, it found threads again. So okay, let's remove. Start actions. Okay, feel free to keep working while we take action. Okay, now it's taking action on the script. What I'll do is erase the no. Let's let it do its work and close VS Code. Now we'll open VS Code again and close that folder so Windows Defender can do whatever it likes. And let's wait. Okay, it's invisible now. It's gone. Yes, Windows Defender has removed it. So okay, you can get stuck like me right now. I've been stuck now. So yeah, what I'll do is just delete it because I know it's not that malicious. It only keylogs it and stores it into a text file. So try again. See, it's not programmed like this, but sometimes it can happen. So it's taking action. Let's just wait for it to take action. Let's close the folder. Let's close VS Code and let's wait for it to take action. Now it might take a while, 1 or 2 hours, and you might get in a very bad situation because Python, it can do some nasty things to your computer. So I prefer you don't copy paste and learn by yourself. Now the next thing I would like to talk about is getting jealous of other people's work. Why Actually, some people actually get jealous. I also used to get jealous when I was a beginner by other people's work. Like they made web scraping scripts and stuff like that while I was stuck at print hello world. So what I prefer you do is just think that they were also a baby once. They learned to walk. They learned Python by themselves. They learned everything. They had to learn everything just like you are doing. So just okay. It's not able to remove it. Why is it not able to remove it? Okay, no threats. Yay, it's removed. Let's check if it's removed right now. So YT video. Yes, it's not there. So I'll just create a new file, another file called myfile.py. So let's imagine I'm writing a script here that um, gets the source code of my favorite video game I play. So we'll import OS, we'll import. No, we don't really need that. Import requests and import bs4. From bs4 import beautiful soup. From bs4 import beautiful soup. So now what you can do is request.get. Yes, I'll be downloading the request.get. It's actually a website, an IO game, so it's HTTPS. No, actually I shouldn't do this. Let's try this on my own website. Let's imagine my website is a game or something. So I'll just go to my website. It's quite easy. Let's go. Oops. Let's go. Safari. Yeah, there it is. So I'm on my website. Okay, now what we do is copy the URL and go to myfile.py, and after that, after it gets it, now print requests is it request.text. Yes, that's how I'm actually pretty sure it works like that. So let's try it in IDLE. So edit with IDLE. IDLE is actually quite good if you want to edit files quickly and stuff, and you can even like fix problems. It even highlights all the problems. So wait, sometimes it's quite slow. I don't know why. Okay, ideally I started. I'll press F5. You can see F5. I pressed F5. Okay, I'll click. Okay, it's doing its work. It's going to the website. Oh, request.text. Oh, sorry. I think it was text equal request.get. So sorry, wait. Text.text. Okay. So this is the source code of our website. Yup. All this. So what I could even do was I could do let's do okay, open. What you can do is open stolen.html. I'm just creating, okay, with the function w, write function. So now what we can do is open stolen. So let's create a variable called f and store it in the, let's create a function open, then store it in the variable f. What you can do is f.write text.text. So we can do text.text, okay, and then f.close, and now we'll have to import OS module, import OS, and then what we can do is os.start file stolen.html. Okay, so now it's done. Let's run the script. It's running. Okay, why did it, oh yeah, os.start file. What, I did a mistake, sorry. Wait, let's do it as a text file for now. So let's save it in a text file. What I could have even done is emailed it or stuff, you know. Yes, you can email using Python. So stolen.txt, and then when we run the script, wait, let's close this window, run the script. Okay, it's running. Okay, it's doing its job. So now look, it literally copied all the source code of my website and printed it here in this text file. What I could have also done is, if I was a malicious hacker, I could have just gotten into the website and destroyed it. So luckily it's my own website. I have permission to do it, of course. So now we close this. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you have a good day. Bye.